Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will do hard work for your hacking journey. I will provide the PDF in video description. After seeing the video, you can save the all steps from description PDF. Without following this all steps, you can't be a smart. So, I will cover all the steps which you have to learn to become an ethical hacker. How to become a hacker? Part 1. First, you have to know about connection types and its function about NFC near-file communication and Wi-Fi connection and the whole cloud system. You see here all in screen. Let's know about step 2. Without learning these lessons, you can't be a good hacker. So note down the all steps or I will provide the PDF in description. After that, you have to get knowledge about operating system like Linux, Macs and Windows and its installation and configuration and about some troubleshooting. It's a very important part. You have to must know about security to become a hacker. Step 7. You have to gain knowledge with practical attack, which you can see every practical attack in this channel. I already uploaded phishing attack practical and others will come day by day. Here is some name of the attacking tool. Note down step by step.